Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause for now and I'll be back at market open. Well, right now I'm having an issue. So if I bring down my options chain, notice all the zeros. There is nothing going on. Level 2s are not populating. So I don't know if this is a broker issue. I use light speed, or if this is a bigger issue. I'll ask my chat room. I'd like to try to, yeah, I'm not sure. So, all right, I will pause, but as of now, I am was wanting to do options, but without the options chain, without data, going to be hard to trade options. So it's only 9:32, but yeah, there's some setups that could be taking place. Come on, light speed. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 12:50 to pick up a put. Got my issue resolved. Something changed on light speed with the settings that I had to change. And somebody else figured it out, let me know. So got that all situated. So if this thing wants to bounce up a bit more, I'd be interested in a put. Go ahead and pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 9:20. I think I can get one more snap down though, so let's go to 870 here. Go ahead and pause. Pick up, oops, not $10. What am I doing? Did I even press record? I did press record. I am very confused right now. 12. Let's put an order out there for a put, see if it wants to come back up to this general area. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 58. I was just on the best bid. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Never mind. That was the move I was looking for, and I didn't quite get it. So I'll have to reassess. I will pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try to pick up a call here at 11:20. Try to play a bounce off this trend line and 50 period moving average. But I may have been too late, as it has already now bounced from that level. We'll see if it wants to come back down. I'll pause for now. All right, have an order at 10:50. Okay, got that. And then it just plummets. Great. So let's see what it wants to do. Now I do only have one contract, so I'm just taking the $100 loss there. That clearly was not a very good entry point. And that's what happens. I mean, I got frustrated and I decided, I'm just going to sit here, and I paid the price for it. I was like, these YouTube viewers, all they do is see me sit here and cancel the order, readjust the order, cancel order, readjust the order. And then I, fell into the, I'm just going to get filled. I don't care. And then that's what happens. That's what happens when you don't follow the strategy. I needed to cancel it and move it. I did not, and I paid the price for it. Now, I'm glad that it only cost me $100. Nothing, I mean, no big deal from the grand scheme of things, but frustrating nonetheless. Now, if this thing does want to come down more, I'm all for it, but, you know, I got to stick with what the strategy actually is. And I know I'm not blaming you as viewers. I'm blaming just, it's still my fault. I'm just saying this is one of the dynamics that I call it the YouTube voice. The YouTube voice shows up and says, Clay, you're kind of making an annoying video right now. I mean, these people are going to think you're a clown. You keep canceling and moving your orders. Like, this is a live trade video, Clay. You're supposed to get some trades captured. And I listened to that and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to get filled. And the rest is history. Again, I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming myself. Nobody's forcing me to do these YouTube videos. But that's just kind of the catch-22 that comes with them is, you know, they have a whole set of voices that they bring to you. Because I'll be the first one. I want to make a cool video. Like, I want to make a video that, in my perfect world, goes viral and all that sort of good stuff. But, you know, so with that comes additional voices. So, all right, I will pause and, yeah, down $100. Okay, I have an order at 18. Come on, fill me. You can hear the frustration. You can hear the frustration. I'm not even going to deny it. Not going to try to play it off. Let's go. 17 now. So that's what I wanted and could not quite get filled. So, all right, I'll pause. Have an order at 970. Got that. Just a single contract. Out there for a quick $50 scalp. We'll look to start the process over again now at 870. So I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 18 for a put. Needs to come up just a bit more. Come on, bit more. I will pause. Okay, I'm at 1750 now. Okay, going to 1670 now. I'll pause. Okay, at 1490. Okay, gonna go ahead and change this to 1420 now. See it come up just a bit more. This is based on the 5-minute time frame, which I'm watching off screen. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 1150. Come on. All right, I will pause for now. All right, gonna throw an order out here at 1650. Try to play this pullback here. And this is based on the 5-minute, but I'm just monitoring it here on the 1-minute. I have the 5-minute off screen. So this thing needs to pull back just a bit more. I will pause. Okay, I'm at 1450. Best bid right now. Just got to get hit. Gonna try 1370 now. Okay, I'm on best bid again. try 1320. And you're witnessing it with me, so, well, at least nobody can accuse me of being, it is just refusing to fill me. So go to 1220 now and try again. Yeah. Okay, go put that back. Yeah, go put it back. My 2-year-old just walked in and shown me a big cup of water that she should not really have in my office right now. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1350. And I'm filled. So let's see what it wants to do. Just one contract. Well, this is a lot more difficult than what it seems like it should be. So I'm just taking a break even there. And then it snaps right back to where I wanted it. Oh. Well, I suppose that's what we call getting played like a fiddle. Kind of. Well, all right. I need to stop talking so much and reassess the... let me just check something. Yeah. If this thing wants to snap back down, then I'd be interested in trying again at 18. But yeah, I guess I kind of did, but I gave that thing plenty of time, and I had to admit that, okay, maybe that wasn't the greatest of entry point, so now does that mean I needed to take a loss on it? No. But I decided, I'm going to just take a break even on it. Well, minus a couple dollars with commissions, but then you saw it snap back up, and what would have filled me. Now, the reason why the price over here changed is because I changed strike prices, so that's why those all of a sudden change. I realize you can't see me do that off screen, but just change strike prices. So I tried and just couldn't quite get it, and then, like I said, started to kind of toy around with me, and then as soon as I get out, that's when it would have came back up and gave me a quick scalp, but that's how it goes sometimes. So I'll say I kind of got played like a fiddle, but it's not like I didn't give that thing a chance to work for him. I gave it plenty of a chance, and then it started to kind of get a little goofy, but all right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 1750. Need this to just make one more push down through, and I should be all set, so I'm going to keep a close eye on it. Come on! Okay, I'm at 1470 now. Oh, you dirty dog. $13.70 now. All right. Making a couple adjustments here as this is really accelerating down. So I'm at 1370 for just one, and that way I'm giving myself more flexibility in case this acceleration continues. Let's see if I can get filled at, again, 1370. I'll pause for now. Okay, I'm at 1520 in. And out for a small little scalp. We'll look to start again, this time at 1270. So put that down there, and we'll see if it wants to come back down. So just a little bit of a double bottom there. And, well, I was going to say back to break even, but not really because I have commission. So I'm probably down, I don't know, 10 bucks on the day. But all right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1320. Needs to be 1270. Got it. And out like that for a quick $50. See, when you do it the right way, when you wait for the right entries, it should go pretty quick. What was that? I was at 1270. So go to 1070. Just double checking my order. Yep. All right, we'll see if it wants to come on up. I'll go ahead and pause. But yeah, now I am officially green on the day, so that's nice. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. And just what got me today was the YouTube voice. Think about it. And remember, that trade where I took the $100 loss, that could have been a break-even trade. And I mean, I understand if you're like, no, Clay, you're too much cherry picking. That's fine. But in all actuality, had I just canceled the order and put my order where it should have been, that should have been and would have been a very, very minimal, practical $50. Just a quick $50 scalp. Again, had I not listened to the voice and just followed the strategy, adjusted my order to where it would have been, that minus 100 should truly be a plus 50. So instead of being up $200 on the day, I'm up $50 on the day, because when you break your strategies, when you don't listen, and in my case, like I said, listen to that YouTube voice, that's what happens. So am I going to be over dramatic and say if you don't listen to your rules, you're going to blow up your account and live under a bridge? No, that'd be a little too dramatic. But you witnessed it here. Instead of having a nice solid 200-day day, I'm up $50, which I'm grateful for, but still disappointing that the YouTube voice got me, but it is what it is. So that's all I have. So at least 5 different trades in this video. So quite the variety here. But follow your rules, follow your instincts, follow what you know you should be doing, and don't let other influences, whatever they may be, even in my case, the YouTube voice, just don't let them influence you. So hopefully you have found this beneficial and helpful, and just to see kind of how things can play out from the real world side of things. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, if you appreciate the transparency, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.